agency?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Off you go. Oh, I'll just reset it. Okay. No. Okay, you should lay down, please. Okay, you should do that after.
Dime toggle.
Down. Yo, can you hear me? Hello. Does my am I echoing? Yeah, I can hear you. I'm good. Is my mic working properly? Okay. Because the last guy couldn't hear me properly. He told me there's like echoing and all this shit. All right. Okay. I've already taken one trade. You should have got on like half an hour ago. Yeah. All right. I took 15% though, so it wasn't that much. It was 14%. But it was on this here. Where is it here? I'll show you. I bought it right here, right before it spiked. It was moving fast enough, and it dipped farther. So it was moving fast, and it was just dipped. It just dipped. It dipped, see, about 40%. Actually, the full dip was because there wasn't much indicator to go on like with sideways movement. So I just checked it, and it dipped, and then I want to see if it was going up, right? So I just but yeah. So no. So well, when I was looking at it, because it was moving fast enough, I kept it on the 15-second chart. Yeah, and it wasn't until later on after you see it's at almost an hour. It was at like 30 minutes when I caught on, or like 20 minutes. So I was able to trade on the 5-second chart. But now that it's older on the 1 minute chart, it shows the 5 candles. Before that, it wasn't showing 5 candles. Yeah. Yeah. So like everything works together. Like everything I told you, it's just like from the first thing you see, you want to take some other pieces and like put it together. Like, uh, I don't know how to say it, but like, have you ever seen it on those children's toys where like the square piece goes in the square hole and like the circle goes in the circle hole. Yeah, like that. So like if you see one that matches, like imagine it was like a 5-step process. So like you saw the 4 to 6 candles, okay, but how deep is the dip, right? So now you're just gonna go check the dip. That's step 2, right? We check it. It's approximately on this. Okay, from the top. So from the top, it's approximately like 40, almost 40% on 1 minute, right? So it was approximately 43% when I checked it. So I waited and I waited for a confirmation. So I saw that was going in an uptrend. You see, like here. So like, how do you see here? So I didn't go on this candle here. I didn't look at this candle. I just kept seeing if it was going upwards. So once I saw that it grew like after this candle, and I saw that it was still remaining going upwards. Like let me show you real quick. Right here, you see this. I don't know why I cannot zoom in on Axiom so far. 1 second. Okay, here we go. So after I saw this here, this is why I bought, because a longer candle on the bottom means a seller exhaustion. So more buyers were picking up after sellers. So after I saw that this happened and it started going upwards, I just thought to buy. And I bought exactly on 300K. So I bought somewhere around here. So the candle was actually down here and then it started to grow upwards, causing this long wick. So around here I bought. And then I just waited. And then luckily for me, it shot upwards. Like getting on these candles here is kind of tricky, you know? Like you have to have the right timing. But luckily I got up and then I just sold quickly. I could have held it, but I didn't hold. I just sold once I saw 18%. I sold. By the time the transaction process was 14%. Yeah. Yeah, so you just have to go by like maybe 2 or 3 indicators, but if you're like being really conservative, then you want to go by like 4 or 5 indicators. So like everything well, what's the word I'm looking for here? I said it yesterday. Like everything crosses, not cross, but like uh interconnects, or no, not interconnect. What is it? It starts with a C. It corresponds. Everything corresponds, right? So like if you see 4 to 6 candles, you might want to check the dip. If not, it could be the bottom of the dip, right? And then if you see what else is there? If you see sideways movement, you might want to check for multiple what do you call it? Multiple support points or support zones, and then you might want to see how deep these support zones dip, right? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. I didn't even see that. If I saw that, I would have probably marked it out. I was just so focused on seeing how far it dipped. So yeah, you're right. You caught that before me. Yeah. I did 0.05. Yeah. I was just doing a small trade. I'm trying to do a challenge where I go from 0.1 Solana to like 1 Solana. I'm trying to challenge myself because I'm so used to trading big amounts and making like $20-$30 profit per day. Like some days I lose, but on average I'm making like maybe $50, $80, maybe $150. Also, I also have to account for losses, right? Yeah, yeah, exactly. So like on average, if I were to Yeah, if I were to count like on a day like today, it's not that busy right now, but I would say I could get good three good trades today if things stay the way they are. Right now, I took one good trade. I took one bad trade earlier, so I'm 1 for 1 right now. What's a oh G let's see what GF. Where do you see GL? Where do you see GF? G. Okay, now it came up. Now it showed up. Okay, see, you could get into it if you want. It's moving fast. So right now it's just so like you see here. So to give you a good indicator, you can see what the previous dips were, right? So the previous dip is averaging about 15%, and the dip before that is averaging about 10%. So like now you see the most recent dip was 11%. Okay, this is about to die off, I think. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, it's all about just people reposting the contract address and the dev keeping up with posts. That's about it. Yeah, honestly, for me, it's just as long as the token like what is this on a 1 second chart? You see, this is way too much movement for it to go up to 70K or right where it is right now. Like if we looked at Nobico, is it Nobico? You see, like Nobico, you see that was like straight upwards movement before it finally went sideways, and then it went upwards. Like like this. I'd rather see this than see what it was on the other coin. Well, and Hello Kitty. Well, yesterday we should have traded Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty went up to 5 million, and when we were watching, it was like 1.8, 1.9 million, right? See, 5.6. Yeah, we should trade it yesterday. Look, a good dip zone just to buy. Like coins like this, I wouldn't mind holding because look, it's 2 days old and it's still holding in the millions. Yeah, but you can always just check back. Every couple hours or like once a day, you can always check back. I just wish there was a feature that gave you an alert like on your phone or give you a notification saying that Hello Kitty hit like 4 million or like it dipped 50% or like uh, I've never seen a feature like that before. Yeah, I was on that too, but it wasn't moving the way I wanted it to. I felt like I came in low too late because right now it went on a decline. It finally hit bottom here. Yeah, I think I found it somewhere over here. What about this here? Yeah. Oh, that's okay. Barney. Well, a new coin just came out. I had to check it real quick. Yeah. Right here. Oh, the 4 candles? Yeah. Yeah, 20% is fine. Yeah. You see, like this took a big dip. How big is this dip here? Let me just remove my tracker wallets. Okay. Holy jeez. Okay, from there to there, 76% dip. This is like a 1% over. Wait, okay, it goes a little bit more. Hold on, let me check. From the top, whoever did that, and then 76. But let's say we forget that long wick. We just checked from an all-time high. Let's say we consider this all-time high. Yeah, proper dip, almost 70%. Came up, came down 4 candles. Yeah, this usually happens. Is like it won't be these 4 candles, but it will be these 4 candles. It'll go up, dip a little bit, and go back up. Yeah. That's why I usually wait for something like this. This is like my main indicator here. After 4 to 6 candles, would be 2 green candles like this. Always, because at least one of the 2 candles has to be bigger. But this is perfect right here. Yeah, exactly. It's literally over half the size of the 4 candles. Let me check this other coin here. Uh, Foundry. Oh, I took his dip. Oh, no. This would have been perfect here. I just quickly looked at this before you told me to check Barney. It was dipping. Yeah, right there. And then see what it would have been on 1 second chart. Only 3 candles. See 15 second. 2 candles, 30 seconds. See, from the top to the bottom. Yeah, 50%. That's perfect. Or buying at the 50K mark, coming up to 73. That would be almost 25%. Let's see what else there is. I don't think Barney's gonna recover unless someone pumps it. Are you gonna take any trades today? Then just trade a small amount like I am. I'm trading 0.05. Oh, yeah, I'm doing half of that. As long as I hit 15% around there, I make a little bit of profit. Let's see. Trashy? Nah. What is this? Oh, it's one of those coins. Okay, I see. Building an internal tool that tools internal tools using tool called what? Building the internal tool that tools internal tools. Which one? This one? It's moving sideways now. I want to see what's going on here. Okay, maybe I could try the. Let me try it. Yeah, you could. It's really low market cap, but you could. I've done this before on low market cap coins. Let me mark it over here. And then it broke over here. So right here, across there. Try this a little bit. It's broke. That's all-time high. Okay, I broke it. Okay, there you go. Now you can mark a new one. So you would take from this here across and then touch this one. Drag that across. Okay. Oh, it's still going. Damn. Building the eternal tool that tools eternal tools using tool. What the? I don't understand that. Oh. Oh, like he's like live streaming on Twitter. The Twitter is. Let me check here. Oh shit! I missed the dip. Damn. It could. Let's see here. I dipped in there. It's gonna go back up. No. Oh, it dipped even farther. All right, let's see. Let's see from the top here to here. He came on for about 2 seconds, but he was on the phone with somebody and then he left. Oh shit. So 50%. 12. Okay, 12. I took 12. I took 12. Okay, I took 12. That was a. It's because it kept bouncing in the box here. You see, it kept bouncing and then it went up. But it kept going. I could have held, but I'd rather take my quick profit. That was like 3 seconds. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take my auto take profit. I'm gonna just set that up. And put 15%. Okay, so you said there's a new high. All right, let's see. So it went up here. Okay, there will be the next one. And there should be one right here. Pick it up. Oh, it's gonna break it. It's gonna break it. Oh, no, everyone's fighting it now. They're fighting it. It's gonna take a dip. It's gonna take a dip. You want to get in on it? I never understood that term PvP. Yeah, no, like I know what it means, but like in this in meme coins, I never understood it. Like it's obvious that and there's buyers and sellers, but you can't. Okay, so then say like on uncertainty. When people see a lot of uncertainty. It might bounce. It's gonna down to the wick. 40%. That's fine. 40%. 37. Okay, I'm gonna let it bounce again. It looks like it's still fighting. What's the volume? Volume, market cap, volume. It's 300. It's 3 times right now. So this is the highest I'd probably go. Okay, let's see. I think I'm gonna take one more trade on this if it works out. I don't know. Is the net volume increasing is the question. No, the net volume's gone down. The 5-minute volume's gone down. Right now it's at like 5K volume. Yeah, that's a lot of fighting. So much. Yeah, I wouldn't be sure about buying this right now. Also, there's a bundler in it. But it's too small a percentage. There's insiders, so like I'd say total is like 6% between insiders and bundles. Let's see. Okay, touch the box at least. I don't know. No, no. Okay, okay. Let's see it.
Would you like to watch Superman?
Yeah, I'm on it too. The one thing I wish they had here was a multi-chart view. So, no, no, no. So like on Bullocks, you ever heard of Bullocks? Okay, so yeah, Full Time was like the OG, the original. Then Bullocks came along, and then Axiom came along. So Bullocks has yeah, Bullocks has multi-chart view. So like you can put up 4 or I think you can put up to 6 different coins on one page, and you can watch them all. Yeah, that's the one thing I wish they had. All right, I think. Okay, I think it has one more bounce. It did break. It did break this low here, and it broke this one here. I think it has one more. Let's find out. This is a gamble at this point. So hesitant to. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Anything like a 100K plus, it could work. Yeah. As long as it's moving right. Any lower cap coins, you could get lucky with it, but not really most of the time. But it does work well for like higher cap coins, 1 million plus. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So 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 for me, when I do like 1 million plus, it does take me a little bit per buy and sell. So it takes me like maybe 15-20 minutes, sometimes an hour per trade. But I do take small profits. It'll be like 8%, 10%, 11, 12. But it all accumulates, right? For me, as long as I'm taking the win, I don't care if it takes me half an hour to trade one time. It's also good practice because when something is running and it runs to like 50 mil and you get in early enough, at least then your strategy will work out for you, you know. Like then there's been many times I find like runners at like 4 million and it goes to 50 million, but I never like held. But I will use my small percentage strategy and take like 10%, 12, 20. Oh man. Let's see what else there is. Volume. You think this would be good for a quick scalp? It went from 115K down to 47K. That's actually a nice dip. I think we just literally missed it. We just missed it. You see, that's why we need like we need like at least 6 people, you know? Let's see, Blink AI, Disk. Let's see what this. Started ran. No, it doesn't. It's what eternal mode is. What's eternal mode? Eternal mode is an assistant. It's an AI assistant. I guess today's AI coins. Early meta. Early meta is gonna be. Early meta is gonna be autism, flying. What the fuck is this? What do you see for hourly meta? Mine just shows 3 and it says 1 coin created. This is origami, flying, and autism. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, sometimes it glitches. I don't know why. I'm just happy I'm not the one that created it. Let's see. Net volume. It's like at like I want to say like 5 times right now. Oh wait. Oh sorry. I think that's wrong. I looked at. Yeah. It's at like 5 times, 6 times now. Also, it's like downtrending. Let me put on my tracked wallets. Did you update your tracked wallets? Okay, you see, some of these guys are buying it, it's still dipping. They're not making any money off of this. They're hoping it's gonna pump. You see this? This guy keeps buying in. Let's see this one. Oh, look, a runner, a runner. We might have a runner. Mm, I don't know. Is it gonna dip? Is it gonna dip? I don't know. Oh, maybe I should have bought. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. That's what I don't like about. Let's see. Let me see what it looks like on 30 seconds. There's 30 seconds. There's 1 minute. 15 second. 5 second. Okay, let's see what happens here. I don't think it's gonna run for too long. Did it, caller Trump caller? Let's see. After the TACO trade, here comes the Trump caller. Here's what means for stocks. I guess it's like Trump putting a chokehold on like stock prices and stuff. Like what he does, like all these things he's doing, like announcing and all that, talking about, it causes like the stock market to dip and like his His influence causes restraints on the stock market. Like I think it was like a month ago, he made the S&P 500 go down like 400 points or something like that. Oh shit. Okay, okay, this might be a good sign. Alright, I'm gonna look at the 1 second. You keep on the 5. I want to see. I want to see all the movement in between. Okay, it's moving upwards. Well, who's buying? Who's buying? No one's buying. Casino bought. Let's see. Oh, let's see casino. Let's see how much he owns. Only tracked wallets. Casino has 2%. This guy can sell at any time though. Oh, he sold. Oh. Yeah, exactly. Like, see, this guy's spam selling. I hate when he does that. He's taking like 10% clips. See how much he owns. That's the thing with him. A lot of people copy trade him. I'm afraid he's gonna clip again. He still owns about 1.5%. I'm gonna wait till he's done clipping. As he's completely out. That's another thing we should practice is seeing people's patterns, like in the way they trade. So that way we know when they're done like selling off and if they're holding on like a low moon bag. You know what? Got 4, 5, 6. Man, nowadays it's so hard to buy on a dip early on in a coin. Like you see after it reaches radium or it reaches bonding. Like it's not like last year where it'll reach bonding, come down like 40-50%. You could buy in and it goes back up to like 100K. It's so hard nowadays to find that. Bidding? What do you mean? You can wait. Let me check. Where did you send it? I don't see any in the chat. You sure? I have nothing in the chat. Oh, PC. Yeah. Oh no. Wait. Oh. I'm in general. One second. All right, there we go. See. Meteora. Oh. So wait. You're saying bit? Are you talking about like trading the actual liquidity? Oh. Okay. So you're talking about like trading like radium coins also. No, I've never touched it because that's like Meteora and like Radium is like where like a lot of scams are. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to find projects unless they're like advertised, like legit projects. Oh shit! It went up. Oh, we missed the dip. Damn it. See, this is why we need like another person in here so they can keep watch of the coin and say when the dip is done. Dip to 90, went up to 140. Not bad. 150. Would have been 50%. Yeah, I've never actually like traded any coins on Meteora or like what's the other one called? Uh oh yeah, I've heard of Orca and Jupiter and Meteora and all that, but I've never actually traded on them. Oh, there's a little history. There's a little history. Okay. Casino's a low. He has 1.6. He bought in like 0.1%. Pick up that bag and take it all with you. Yeah, he wants it to pump again. That's what he's trying to do. Tie it off. Oh, and also, can you please finish cooking what's in the air fryer?
Should be done. You want a couple hot dogs?
Yeah.
Or you just want the fries?
Put it on the buns. There's the dip. 95 to 106. 10%. Not bad. But the volume is what? The volume is... What am I looking at here? It says it's $250 volume. What the... What? Okay, the volume's 5 times now. Oh, wait. What am I looking at? Oh, I'm looking at collar. Okay. Collar. Let's see. Um... It looks like it's like stabilizing it. Let's see here. Alright, okay. It looks like it's just stabilizing in this section, but it looks like it's downward. It's going downwards. Like it didn't break this one. It's lower. Oh, you see, there's probably wallets I'm not looking. There's probably wallets buying that I'm not looking at. The chart. Which one here? You put two of them in here. The first one or second one? Oh, so you were able to see the wallet that bought and pumped it just now? Oh, okay. Let me just download it real quick. Philip, stop! Don't do that. Kilo sit. And just quickly import. Whatever. Anyways, okay, I can't have more than 300 tracked wallets. I don't know who to do. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Yeah, this wallet list is like 4 months old. I haven't updated it much. I think I'm just gonna delete and then no, I don't think I want to do that. That's so much work on. Okay. Okay. I think I know. Okay, I'm gonna put it in Chat GPT and ask them to filter it out. I'll put both lists, and then yeah. I'm gonna do that later though. I want to keep looking at the chart. All right, so now it's at a new level.
Maybe. Really? Do this, Caleb. Come on.
Let's see. Maybe. Okay, yeah. There's another level here. Here to here. Looks all about. Yeah, it's taking a dip. See when casino sells, I guarantee there's a few people that have him on like auto copy trade. That's why every time he's in a coin, I'm so cautious about buying. What about this bag? Maybe this trashy. Do you have UXENTO one? UXENTO, UXENTO extension. Is it on? Is anything popping up there? Nothing. Let's see, foundries or anything popping up. Let's check the Twitter tracker. Oh wow. Oh, there it is. This was the perfect dip right here. So this double bounce is called a shoulder movement or some shit. There's the head and there's the shoulders. Damn. Whoever got in there is lucky. It's also 7 a.m., so I guess a lot of people are coming on now. Yeah, I always find it to be more high volume in the daytime. How is it picking up volume though? The last tweet was like 2 minutes ago, and the tweet before that was like 25 minutes. Okay. All right, and move on to the 15-second time frame for this. Is it going to break 200K? And is it going to dip past 175? Is my question. And then is it going to dip below 150? Is the question. Sure. Why not? I have nothing else to do right now besides watch this. I think you do. I didn't set them. No, let me just check real quick. Settings, permission, everyone, review the channel. Allow members to share your video. And one second. No, I don't see it. I see. Oh yeah. Okay. There. Yeah. Yeah. What's the what is that? Orca? That's Orca. Okay. Okay.
No way. What do you mean no way? This dude gotta go away.
So, so is it only 24 hours? Is it like 1 minute, 5 minute, half an hour, anything like that? Is just daily? Oh, okay, 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 okay. Yeah. Well, how much is fees on that? That's a yeah, that's a question.
I don't know how I got that.
Oh, oh, I see. Okay, I might try it out. It kind of reminds me of leverage trading. It could. Now, what happens if it dips? What if it dips below the range? Okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay, that's what you're saying. Like like instead of Orca providing all of the pools of Solana UCC, then it's kind of like a partner program in a way. You're partnering with that. So you're saying okay. Oh, shit. I see. Hold on. By the way, hmm, we also missed the pump just now. It dipped to 160. It's at 362. Have you ever done the leverage trading? Yeah. in like general. For what? Like, oh really? Man, the margin is so small to make so much money. Like you can do like 100x leverage, but the margin is so small. Yeah, it is. It it is. But the thing is, when I was doing, well, like when I first started trying it like 3 months ago, like the the percentages were very small, like less than like 2%. Like so, like I was trading I think it was Sol. Yeah, it was Sol. I was trading on here on Axiom. It was Sol, but from where I bought in, right, to where it dipped, it was only like maybe like 1.5% that I made on that. It was like $100, and I think I did a 5x, and it wasn't really much. It was like $10 I made. Yeah, and honestly, BTC the when BTC wants to dip, it does dip a good like 10, 20, 30,000. BTC, yeah, BTC is like, honestly, the way I see it with these coins here, it's like you have to make this into like a long term play. Like you set your take profit zone, and it's gonna take like at least a few weeks to like a few months for it to hit that point where it's like a healthy profit. Let me see here. Uh, put it into daily. It doesn't even show me. Sometimes this thing doesn't even work properly. 8, 12. What 12 hour? Well, let's see. Like here, example. Like let's say you did buy a dip somewhere here, right? Let's say you bought here. This is on April 25th or April 9th. April 9th. So if you wanted to make like, let's say 1, 2, okay, let's say it was like 5% margin, 5% profit. Make about 5%. It would have been April 17th. So that's like what? Like about a week and a half, 2 weeks. Yeah, 1 week. And the thing with leverage is that I forgot what it said, but it's the longer you hold a position, the fees change because this yeah the spread shares. What happened now? What is wrong with this thing? Oh, 5 seconds. Okay, where am I at? Oh jeez. Okay, it hit almost 400K. So let's see. Let's see. Here to here. I guess this is what they would have considered a liquidity sweep. So if I were to go put a bar there, it would probably at the bottom here. There. Okay, there you go. So, and then oh well, when I was like 18, I was doing binary options. You ever heard of binary options? Yeah, that's like the gambling of stock market, right? because you could have like a 30-second time frame, 1 minute, 5 second, like 5 minutes. So the price you buy in at, right, is just like margin trading, right? But you have to give them a time frame. So like, let's say this said put, and then this said call, and this said put, right? So let's say I bought it at 300K or 323K here. So I said that in the next 5 seconds, the price of the stock is going to be higher than the price I bought in at. And then the percentage you make depends on the stock. It could be like 40%, 50%, 90%, 70%. It was just basically gambling. And then after, yeah, it was gambling. Honestly, you don't know where a stock is gonna be in 5 seconds. 10 seconds, 1 minute. It was like if they had this for meme coins, it would be so simple. But they don't have that. But after that, I started buying commodities. So like 2014, I was buying like oil, because the oil price dipped at that time. So I was like, I might as well buy it and hold it. And then eventually after that, in 2016, I bought XRP. And then on and off, I was like buying and selling like stocks. Like I was buying a little bit of dividends at the time. And then I was buying a little bit of commodities. And then I was just trying my hand in crypto. But there wasn't really information back then. Like no one was like giving the proper information back then. Everything was early. Like Bitcoin was like at like in like 2015, I think Bitcoin was at like $500, I think. When I was 15, what the price of Bitcoin was? It was like a few days before my birthday. It was like a week or two before my birthday. It was at 9 cents. A few weeks before my 15th birthday. I regret, like, I saw Bitcoin one day on the internet, right? And I'm like, what is this? This is probably just like imaginary, like pretend shit, right? And then like a few months later, I see a Bitcoin miner. I'm like, you can mine Bitcoin while like just on the computer. I mine like half a Bitcoin, and then like 10 years, not even 10 years, like 6 years later, I see Bitcoin went to like 15,000. I'm like, damn it, bro. That was like 4 computers ago. Yeah. So, oh Jesus, it's because this one Gake. Anytime you see Gake buy it, she buys in for like a big amount. Like you see here, she bought in 5K worth. Now, if she bought in 5K on like a million, it'd be half that size. No, no, I think she has copy traders. She probably has like a group. People say it's a girl. Some people say it's a guy. I don't even know. Oh, jeez, that's true. All right, I went to the 15-second time frame. Yo, what did you do? What the? Yo, hello, come here. He put milk in the AC. Oh, good job watching. They just like spoiled milk. Hurry up, get up. Jeez, bro. Okay, she sold. So she bought. Oh, he sold. Sold only 1K. So he still owns. Let's see. Gake owns 1.16%. Get up and clean this. What the hell?
Oh my! Can you take it from him, please?
Clean this. Damn, bro. What the hell?
Here.
What are you waiting on?
No, no. Can you take his milk?
Caleb, give me the cup. Give me the cup. No more. God, having children is so hard.
I got everything that I can.
Do you have any kids? It's easy. It's easy in the beginning, and then when they get older, they start doing more shit. They start being more. Yeah, they're cute in the beginning. You wait till you have them, then you understand. It's like, oh, jeez, like you're tired all the time. You don't stop eating every 5 minutes. They're like, oh god, and half the food isn't even going in their mouth. Hello, yo, there's still milk on the floor. Bring the spray. It's gonna smell like spoiled milk. How long the AC still? Come on.
I'm just finishing. Oh, come on. Finishing this round. I'm just running to the exit. It's just ow, because there's people.
Whatever. Anyways, let me see where this is. Okay, now I think it's gonna start taking a decline. Just it's gonna take another major dip, probably. Damn, and that would have been a good place to buy it. I even marked it off on the chart. I marked it off at 150. 150 to 300k would have been 2x. The 600k would have been a 4x. Bring the spray, please.
Yeah.
Yo, there's like milk all over.
Yeah, I know.
Yo, move his toy.
Yeah,
Move his toy. Move his toy. Oh, look, it's all in front of her. Just grab the spray first. Oh, God.
Well, our garbage disposal is also helping.
Whatever. Just wipe the floor before it smells.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get.
Oh, God.
I don't want to step in.
1, 2, 3. I don't even know where it's gonna go. Where is it topping off at? It topped off about 700k. So the new point would be. I'm just gonna mark off new areas. Let's see, 700k. 700k.
Watch out! Come on, watch out!
What about over here?
No, I got it.
And then come over here and get some, please. I need to spray over here.
You're not doing anything with that.
So.
No. Wean it, huh?
Okay, so I did to 500, so that's like 25%.
That's it. I'm throwing him. Get over here, little monkey.
Okay, 30%, 31%. Okay, I think yeah, I think it's gonna take like a. Grab the cleaner, please.
One sec. Caleb, you better stop.
Let's see, 350k is gonna be 50%.
Watch out.
Ignore him and just hurry up.
No, I know. Yeah. No, I needed this. Yeah, it's true. Get some up here.
No, really, Katrina?
You know, watch out. I'll grab it for like 30 seconds.
There's locked. Let's see. It went down to 40%. I don't know.
Caleb, don't touch it. Oh.
I think it might go lower than that.
Don't do that.
Cause
Yes.
as you saw, there's resistance on the first green candle, and then the second green candle going up. There wasn't really much movement after that. I think it's gonna hit maybe 50% before it goes back up.
You don't need to go up. I'm here. I got him. Hey, guess
Okay,
what?
okay, I'll buy in if it goes to 50% of the previous high.
Wanna use my
So like somewhere around here at
Use my
500 K mark. No, it's dipping. You can see it. Did you wipe on the AC?
Yes, I did.
Why is there still milk on it?
No, that's you sprayed the shit out of it.
Give me a wipe, please.
Oh, wipes are over the counter over there. Okay, give me a sec. Shit. Oh, that's too loud.
Oh, okay. Alright, I might buy in. Maybe. I don't know. It seems so risky.
He hasn't watched Minecraft yet. He's obsessed with that song.
Okay, I'm just gonna buy in. Forget it. Whatever. Let's see where it goes. There's a lot of resistance right now.
Oh, sugar! That actually came up.
But then when was the last time it was updated on GitHub? Yeah, it should just say in the top right corner for how long was the last when was the last update. And that was the last update. Okay, so most recently updated. Okay, it could run, but I don't know. It doesn't look like there's much movement. I bought in at 509. I'm hoping it pumps back up. I'm glad I didn't top blast.
My time that's working. My time. No, there's still like a buttload of money on here. This was a anticipated move.
Okay, I'm gonna rebuy in for 0.03 and see how that goes. So if I go mark that off now, it's bouncing within the box.
Oh, now they're actually selling theme packs for Minecraft. You got Batman, SpongeBob, Jurassic.
Let me check the wallet tracker while this is going. Something is happening. I hope it pumps. Not bad. Mid 12%. They haven't.
Watching that piano thing for the lava chickens.
Do they even pay the decks for believe coins? They do? Really? What else believe? Believe. Give me a believe coin. Man, things were more or less complicated back then. Like, well, when I say back then, it makes me feel so old. A few months ago. Come on, pump, 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 pump. I bought too high. Oh wow, and there's a double bounce I was looking for. Oh, oh, it's gonna break it. Please break it. Please break it. I just want to break even. Oh, okay. Oh. You know what? I think I'm just gonna take my loss here. Well, I'm in profit, but I'm gonna take my loss. Oh, oh, did I saw the top of this candle? Please, I saw the top of this candle. Yes, 519. Okay. There's not much movement on this 15-second time frame, but this is the time frame I need. Yeah, I was going to try to rebuy in over here at 0.03, but it's so slow moving for some odd reason. Wait, what's the liquidity right now? I mean, sorry, not liquidity. What's the mark? Yeah, okay, it's oh jeez. Wait, what coin were we on just now? For Foundry. Okay, Foundry. Okay. The volume, 5-minute volume, 24 volume. Okay, yeah, this coin is at like okay, so it's still at about 2 times. It might pump again. It might pump again. Do you think it's gonna bounce one more time? But it's been an hour. Yeah. Okay, you're right. It's been like an hour, so maybe you might have to wait another. Oh look, it might bounce. It might bounce. I'm on the 1 minute time frame. I'm just gonna leave it at 1 minute. Because at least, okay, yeah, if we have to leave it and let it build history, then fine. It's at 1 minute. Because by the time you come back, it should have a little bit of history.
And back to the rest. Let's go to a challenge. who that is? You know who that is? That's Jack and Jack.
Let's see if there's any updates.
Daffy is funny.
They have a Discord. 6 minutes ago, they retweeted. They said thanks for the support. What else? Hmm. Let's see. Okay, I think it's gonna bounce around the. Yeah, okay, there. Yeah, I think it's gonna stay around the like 5:30 mark. It's gonna bounce around a little bit, and then finally spike. All right, it might be on its way to breaking all-time high. So what do we do? I'm only watching this coin right now. So topped off. We have history here. We have 2 points. Right there. We have 2 points there. Hopefully it does. I think I go to 900K. Because as you saw, it came down, bounced, and then went up. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. I broke it. Almost. It's like a little bit off. And you said 7 above 760. Oh my. Have you checked Cantina? No. That's a double bottom. Oh, this one I see is 6 minutes ago. Let's see this one here. Okay, there you go. I broke it finally. Alright, next major dip I'll probably buy in. Or the next balance I'll buy in. It hit almost 840. Or going back to the 30-second, let's see, 580, 710. Mm.
Hey, Kaden.
Mm. Let's see. This could be.
Sit down. Sit down. Thank you.
Yep. Oh, okay. It's okay. I think when it recovers, it's not gonna go as high. See, this is what I'm talking about. Nowadays, it's so slow. You have to like just be patient. Let's see what else is on. Um,
Don't kick the wall, please.
let's see. Wired. A little too late. Let's see. Cobra. No.
already been through this tutorial. Yeah, again. I played this tutorial. I played it on the phone. No, the tutorial started driving on the phone.
Okay. Volume is at if it goes under 300, I say 300. Because now it hit a high of what, 800? So 300 would be like, maybe not. Yeah, no. Are you what time frame are you watching on? I'm watching on 30. Is it goof? No cat. No, that's. Let's see, goof. No cats. No cats. Oh, no cat. Okay. Mm. Yeah, the middle point would have been the place to buy. Or Oh, I think I'm gonna leave Foundry to see where it runs. Yeah, it's not breaking any old low or lower highs. Oh, what else is there, bro? It's there. Probably in this hour. Maybe something else can come on. See this one. Have you looked at the only other strategy I use is high momentum. Have you looked at a forecaster pump? FP? Okay. Like other strategies, yeah, like there okay, so like one strategy is just like dip. So it's like the 40 to 70% dip, and then you look for the bottom of the dip, which is usually 4 to 6 candles. That's like one strategy. And then other than that, there's like I see there's like fib retracement and all that stuff, right? But I'm gonna buy in on this. A little bastard casino button. Yeah, because most of the time it's just like most of the time it doesn't even matter anymore. Most of the time it doesn't really matter if the dev sells or not. Because usually when the dev doesn't sell, it's just like a quick, it's just like a quick play. They'll probably hit like 100K, maybe 150, 200, and then it just dies out. But when the dev does sell, um, yeah, you could just expect the coin to go higher than when it would usually go. Break it, 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 break it. Volume market cap. Oh, that's really slow this morning. I might just check the Twitter tracker real quick to see if anything's coming up. Yeah, mines aren't showing for some reason. Oh, probably because I don't have it selected.
Oh,
Where did I do that again? I think it's in this one. Oh, UXENTO?
oh.
I have not been looking at it at all. Hold on one second. Let me just check. UXENTO. Okay. Let's see. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Save. I don't know. Let's see if anything pops up.
Really? Really, dog? I don't know. Not really good. Hi. Caleb. Caleb, come here. Come here. Caleb. Popcorn? Come on. Come here. Come here. I can't see you. Oh, God. Where's your phone? Where's the phone? I kind of can't move. I'll be back for a while. Come sit over here. Oh! I can move my arms.
Nothing's popping up for me on UXENTO yet, so I can't even check if it's actually showing. I guess no one scanned in the last couple minutes.
My back just relaxed. All the little bit. So, come on. Get off my arm. Or just lay on my arm, and that works too. Don't. What? Ow! Oh, you're on the. That's so. Yours on me. What are you doing? How do you fucking get up photos in? Oh, God!
Oh wow. No cat pumped. Yeah, no cat pumped. Let's see here. Where the hell?
Okay.
Why is it pumping? Why is it pumping? Let's see why no cat is pumping. What? Where? No cat. I don't understand. PFP it. No cats. No cat here. No cats. Well, I think 4G is slowing down because it hasn't paid for Dex. Yeah, that died off. Oh man, that died down a lot. All right. What coin are you still watching? Oh, I think this is bundled probably. Maybe that's why. No, it's not. It's not catching a bundle. What? Oh, you sent me a coin. I'm not getting notification. I'm not getting like no buzzing or pings. Yeah, 1 second. Why is it not showing up? It's not even showing the chat anymore. I can't open the chat for some reason. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh, you're on a pump or FA or FP. Oh, yeah. 13 minutes ago, it's been like right after I sold. Or BK market cap. Slam the door and shit happens. What does your hourly medit say? Mine says Trump, cats, gro- go. Okay, so yours is up to date. Okay, all right. Uh, New York Post.
Look what's on my house.
Oh,
Chocolate.
Fiona, the Labu Labu cats. But it's 16% bundle, so I don't know where it's gonna go.
Don't you uh-oh me. Don't you know?
If the bundles go down to like 5% or less, I might buy it. TikTok. Labu. Boo. We have Labu Boo. What? La Boo Boo. What the fuck?
You want the Google one?
It's Fiona Apple.
There you go.
Well, that's the name of the account. I'm not sure about the name of the cat. Labu Labu. Yeah, her name's Fiona Apple. Wait, what's Fiona Apple? Is the cat's name Fiona Apple? I'm looking at it, but okay, yeah, okay. The cat's name is Fiona Apple. I was on a TikTok page for that one.
Caleb, swallow it.
Yeah, Foundry tanked. Foundry's so fucking low. Jeez. So Foundry's out the question right now. God damn it. Casino bought into Fiona. So no serious.
Libby? It's not Libby? Who is this? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? It's not Libby. Who is it? Swallow. Swallow it. Caleb, swallow. That's not Libby. Who is it? That's not Libby. What about Sophie? we doing? Playing sink or float?
Oh. You were on no face earlier. Oh man, what? Wow. I think I traded no face before you came on. Are you looking at no face? Oh, sorry. No face. Have you checked it? It hit 1 million. Yeah, I traded around like 600K. This was earlier today. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. But actually has some high volume, not gonna lie. Okay, I'm just gonna send the CA to you. I don't get why it's not showing in my migrated tab.
Bunch of those sorcerers over here.
I think I have no filters on.
Ocean, huh? Ocean.
You know, I think I might buy in on the next dip.
Yes, it will.
All right, where is this at right now? At 1.3 million. And the fucked up part about this is I sold at the lowest point. I took a loss on it originally. Now it's all the way up to. I bought it at 631 and I sold it at 330, 373. Yeah, really. Had everything marked out too. That's whatever.
Hmm. Oh, little toes away from me. Holy sugar.
So made it to 1.4. It's down to 1.2. %. Bro. Can you please go take the dog to go eat? Can we give him his phone, bro? Just 45% on his phone. Make the call.
Oh,
Make the call while you're out there.
here, child. Watch Mippy on your
And
phone.
call Super King while you're at it. Let's see.
Yeah, what am I asking about?
Everything on the list from yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Oh, not you, not you. I'm talking to my partner. Sorry, not you. Alright. News.
Yeah. You want an extra clear blankies? You might take a nap, by the way. Down. Sit. Thank you. Thank you.
Come on, give me that dip, man. Come on, I just want a nice little dip to buy on. This might be the coin of the morning, you know. It's the only coin we, yeah, it's the only coin we find going to 1 million.
That was the shortest fucking call in my life.
What happened?
I listed everything off. He has everything but green grapes.
Okay.
That was like 30 seconds.
Well, he owns the store. He knows what he
I
has.
know. compared to like calling Super King, where it takes me like 5
He doesn't have
seconds.
green grace, but
Yeah.
does he have other stuff?
Yep, I listed everything on that list.
Or he has basil?
Basil wasn't on the list because we have basil.
Whatever, anyways, go.
When I'm there, if I see basil.
Okay, then get ready and go and come back.
Let's just wait for Kilo to finish up here first. I just want to let you know what you told me before I forgot.
Oh, let's see. Okay, so there's a double bottom here. I'm just gonna mark that off. Might be a key point. It's what? Yeah, yeah. I know. That's how it is nowadays. I wish it was no. It's like September, November. It's like something every 5 minutes. Uh, I got it right at the wrong time. Yeah. So what was the strategy you were using before? Oh, 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 okay. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. I know. I know how that is. Yeah, that's how it was in November when I put in $700. I was just practicing, right? And I was doing the dev sold strategy when the dev sells you buy in real quick. And like 50% of the time I'm winning, but the other 50% I'm losing. So it basically canceled each other out, and I was down to zero. Yeah, yeah, Oh yeah, no. They're buying their own servers. Here, I'll show you. So when you go into your quick buy settings here, are you able to see my screen? Yeah. Where is this here? If you go into where is this here? So wallet. One second. You're able to add your own. What is it called here? Where is this? One second. Let me just pull this up for you. Why aren't these showing? What the hell? Hold on, let me just refresh this. Oh, it's lagging. Sometimes the Zen2 makes your Axiom lag. So they have their own RPC modules. And the RPC modules are what makes it faster for them. Honestly, these guys are using RPC modules, and then their priority settings are really high. So like they'll go and use like 0.1 Solana for their priority, or some of them will actually use like a whole Solana for priority. So that way the priority and bribe are higher, so they're like first in line at the same time. But there are other tools like Sniper bots that are way faster than this. No, Nova is just a copy of Bloom. Bloom bots like the original. Yeah, Bloom bots always was the original. It was about like way before Nova. And plus Nova's fees are higher. Don't ever use Nova. Nova's like honestly a ripoff. Did someone join just now? Oh, okay. Very good. Yeah. Wait. Kind of. Maybe. Not really. Let's see. What the F? Alright, I'm gonna buy into what the F. I'm gonna buy right here. They're at over 13%. Um, let's see. So you're not gonna jump into any trades today? Yeah, I've been on since about 4 a.m. Yeah, you guys were supposed to be on at 5 or 4 o'clock. Holy, what did this guy spam by into? Damn, bro, I could have held. um, what coins were we talking about? No face, right? Oh fuck. What's his name? What's his name? What's his name? Crypto Hop. Crypto HOS1. Oh, Crypto Hos. Crypto. Crypto Hos. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. I've seen this guy before. Yeah. Yeah, I think he's in like a group. This guy's in a fucking group trade also. This guy's on in the influencer group trade. All these guys and they like fucking buying at the top. Like they top blast it. They buy at like wherever they want, and then like and they still make profit sometimes, and they lose half the time. Yeah. Yeah, and yeah, exactly. I know. Yeah, these guys are just hoping like they're trying to catch it on the uptrend. So like on the train going upwards, and then selling it at a high point. Yeah, that's what they're trying to do there. And plus, yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, this guy he's saying. So basically, if he loses one, he's gonna double up on it. So he puts in like point one. Yeah, and this guy trying to test it. He's trying to test to see if it dips, and then if it does dip, he'll go buy higher on the dip. Yeah, sometimes I swear these guys are doing like guesswork. These guys are like guessing what to buy. Half the time, I think these guys are like guessing. Yeah. Solana. Solana went down like $2 from the last time I saw it. When we were last on, when, when we when I was on with you guys the last time, it was 155. Oh, when I was on with you guys last time, it was 155. Did it go up yesterday? Oh, hold on, let me see. Wait, you guys can't see my screen? Hold on 1 second. My screen, hold on 1 second. Alright. How about now? What is the show on YouTube? Hold on, let me check that real quick. Me? I took, I think, 5. Oh no, I took 2 trades on 1 coin, and then I think 1 trade on like 3 of them. As long as it shows that there's still volume. Yeah, cause like okay, what was that coin I bought into again? Was it, yeah, no face. Okay, so before you guys came in, right? You can see. Can you see my screen? Or no? Oh, let me see. Hold on, let me see what let me see what I'm seeing here. Okay, no face, right? Yeah. Okay. Let me just change stream. Oh, it's because I have one monitor in a landscape and one in portrait. Okay, okay, there. So I got into no face over here, right? I made a bad trade, but you see it had that sideways movement. It was still moving. It dipped, came up, came down, broke the old high, broke it again, came down a little bit, but kept moving. You see how it's like going up in little increments? You see there, like look, see, like it came down, broke it again by a little bit, came down, broke it again, came down, broke the old low, broke it again, a little bit, broke it again. Like as long as you're seeing it moving in increments, like moving upwards, like it can take a dip, but as long as it's like, how can I say this? It still has, yeah. You see the momentum still moving. It's moving sideways, right? But like you see, it's moving. It doesn't matter where, but it's not like on the decline. See, the momentum's still going sideways, and then it finally just starts moving up. That's how you know you can trade again on the coin multiple times. But you have to be able to catch the pattern before it bottoms out, right? Like if I were to go to Oaken, if I wanted to trade this one, I'm still waiting for the dip. It's not done dipping. When it gets that dip good enough, I'm gonna buy. Okay. Yeah, I'm still on it. You guys can't see it? It's within the zone, so I'm gonna see. What do you think? What do you think? It's going below the zone, so I'm not sure. So if it goes below this zone right here, on this low right here, then I might not go into it. That's the lowest I might go. Yeah, okay. It might take a massive dip and come back up a little bit. It's not gonna recover fully. I don't think so. Like example, Akitanama, right? And you look at it on like the 5 minute chart, you can see that there was like more than enough. Oh geez, hold on. Let me go to 12 hour. Okay, and then we go to 4 hour. Let's go to 1 hour. See if I can get it there. Like you see it on the chart here. How let's see if I can zoom out on it a little bit. Okay, let me bring down a 15 minute, 3 minute, or 3 minute. Okay. You see how much sideways movement there is on Alcantara? What is it called? Hamster with the biggest balls. Like that's why I kept coming back to it, because no matter what, the coin was keeping its balance in with the market cap to volume ratio. Like you see how many times I was trading it on the way up. Like see, it had this double bottom. I came in, I bought here, sold towards there, came in again when it was coming up, sold again, came in around here. This is where I was doing the main strategy. And I would buy in, sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. I kept coming in multiple different times. And I kept going in and out, yeah. And then that was it. Because even though the market cap was increasing, the volume stayed steady at 2 to 3 times. Whatever you're happy taking is a perfect profit. Perfect entry would be anyone getting in at the lowest point possible. Perfect exit would be whatever you're happy taking. So if you made 40% and you're like happy with that, that's a perfect exit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you made a 2x, then and you were happy selling on that, congratulations, you made your perfect exit. You know, it's just whatever you're happy to take. Is whatever you're happy doing. Trading. That's all trading is, right? Wherever you're most comfortable getting in, the most comfortable getting out. No, the reason I'm still in. No, is because from where I bought and sold, it's gone up to in the millions, right? And it's stabilizing around the support zone. So the support zone was here and here. Now it's dipped and it's bouncing up. So it might. The only time you want to take, like, you're worried about it is if it's like with Cupsy, he always comes in like early on or he comes in later. So like right now he might get on around like maybe 10 o'clock or 11, 12, whatever, and you might see this coin if it's still running like this, and he might just hop in. Yeah, and there's no like perfect time to like know when these guys are coming on and when, like, if you should be in or out. But usually when if they come in before you, you have to realize why. Like, if they're holding it, you wanted to, these guys want to see steady what do you call it later, steady rising. Yeah, they want to see going up just like you do, right? If it takes too long, if it's going sideways and it's taking too long and it's slowly going down, they're obviously going to sell off, right? These guys learn to like be patient. They'll go buy into like 5 coins at the same time and just like wait, and they'll come back and check if it hasn't like gone up at all, or if it's dipping, they're just gonna have their auto stop loss set and then they'll just get out. Stop loss 20% if you want to set it. Me, I just, if it just dips too much, like I'll take negative 50. You see right here, my loss was 41%. Yeah, I just wait. If it's dipping and I see that it's not coming back. If I don't think it's coming back, I'll just select whatever negative it is. Like, you see, if I didn't sell and I just held it, you see that? If I just waited a couple hours. What is this? All right, just took 11%. Bro, that was just a gamble, honestly. No, 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 no. Yeah, no, no, no. The reason why I got into it is because the volume's high. This is high momentum. This is just high momentum trading. You're getting in on a dip, and you're just letting it run, and then you get in and out, just in and out. That's all it is. That's high momentum trading. No, like my minimum is like 10%. Like I'm just watching in the P&L corner, right? And as soon as it shows me 10% or more, I just click real quick to sell. Holders? Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, the bubble maps. Uh, where is the bubble map? Oh, holders. Oh, the bubble. Oh, it's over here. Okay, okay, it's right here. And so this holds 5%. These two here hold 5. This holds 42 and 42. You guys are still here, but like both of you. Yeah, this here what I did is this quick scalp is just high momentum. As long as he's moving upwards and it's fast, like you see, I bought after the dip. You want to be early. You want to be early after the dip, so that we can just catch it real quick and make your whatever percentage. Yeah, yeah, exactly. You want to get in on like the first or second candle. The sooner the better. But if you see this is growing, like you see, it's all within the same candle. I bought within the same candle. So I bought at 80 and I sold at 89. You could also hold if you want. That's the one thing I gotta practice is holding, like holding for bigger percentages. Yeah, that's it. So Epic, are you seeing anything? Pardon? The volume and the net? Oh, net volume. Yeah. So you want to check here also. You can also check here. This needs to be increasing. The net volume for 5 minutes needs to be increasing. So you see went from 4 to 5. 5 it dropped. It's drawn down 4 back up to 5. Damn, bro. I got a 2x right here. Fuck. Are you still here? Oh, you're still. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. This part, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Honestly, the perfect combo for like Dex paid from my point of view is if it has like a strong well, what's it called? Telegram. If it has like a strong Telegram community plus Dex paid, because in Telegram you can have your chat channel right in your thread. See with the contract. Yeah, yeah. Look at this guy. It took 8 minutes to make a almost 4x. I'm just calling it damn, bro. There we go. All right, yeah. Yeah, if I held it, it would have been a nice profit. Uh, how do I change this thing? Oh, display. Oh, okay, here we go. Where does it say? Where? Dex pay. Okay, here we go. Economy. Oh, over here. Oh, okay. It's moving kind of slow though. It's 10% bundle. Is it increasing at least 1 a second? Like that's my minimum is like 1 a second. Okay, Cupsy bought it. Let's go see an example from Cupsy. See that? Look, he bought into some shit. I don't know what that is. No name, right? He's in on no name. And let's see where he bought. Tracked wallets. He bought there. You see what I'm saying there? He bought at 5K. He bought 5. Yeah, but this was early coins. So you can say this is kind of like a dev sold method. Let's see, dev. Oh, there you go, dev trades. Yeah. Okay, so dev was still in this one. He sold for No. It just no. It sold like it started dying off because there's not enough momentum, right? Not enough people got in. Okay, there we go. Okay, it migrated finally. Okay, now you want to see? You see, it took a dip, but now you wanted to recover from that dip, which it's kind of stabilizing right now. Okay, never mind. Okay, so it got up to 70K approximately, like 669K. So the lowest you want to see to dip at is like what 35K, right? But right now you see the momentum's dying off. You see these low movements. Yeah, it's like really small movements. Now it's moving upwards. What? Okay, 1.7K, 1.1K, 1.4, 1.3, 1.1, 900, 800. Yeah, that's why I never do coins like this that just have so much movement going up to migrated. It has to just shoot up to migrated. It can't like it has to be less than like 5, maybe 10 minutes at most. Maybe 10 minutes at most. Maybe. This is like you see you see how much movement that is? Like you're going like up, then a deep dip, then you're going back up, a dip again, up, dip, like way too much movement, bro. This is way too much price action. You know? See, why can't I leave this? Oh man. Let's see. Okay, so like this here, like this here is way better. Yeah, there's multiple dips, but it was a straight uptrend. There wasn't much like this wasn't the first. What's a mascat? Nope. This has to be bundled. You guys want to try this one? It's 48% bundled. 50% bundled, bro. You want to try? I'm about to go into it. Yeah. Nah, it can't be too much. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna buy into it. Oh, look at that. Oh shit. I top blasted. Up. There you go. I sold for 9%. Why did you guys buy it with me? You guys should have bought with me. You see, those ones are ones where you can just like jump in quick and just hope to God that you hit your target. Yeah, once a week, at least like twice a week. I don't know. It's like Honestly, the way it works is like right time, right place. There's never gonna be a perfect time, but when you do find the high volume times, it's like right time, right place. Let's see here. Oh, oh shit! You guys came in after me. Wow. Yeah. What is the 500k P&L? What is this guy? 500k P&L bot and casino bot. Ugh. You guys find anything else? Nah. I'm gonna check the what do you call it, Twitter tracker. See if anything's come up. James Wynn. What is that? Who's James Wynn? The Guardian Angel. That was original, I think. Is it? Maybe. Yeah. What is this? What is this for? Is someone die? High risk leverage trader. Memecoin design degen called Pepe at 600k. What is this guy dead? Wynn's Law. Oh shit. What's the reason for this? What's the reason for this Wynn's meta? Yeah, because I'm on James Wynn's Twitter. It says high risk. He called Pepe at 600k market cap. This is like his actual Twitter. Okay. This guy's making a call right now. He's telling people to like buy Bitcoin right now. That's why. So here, I'm gonna send you his Twitter. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. He's making calls right now on his Twitter. Here, you go look at his last post from the last couple hours. He's saying to like buy Bitcoin. Yeah, it's because he was the guy that called Pepe at 600k, and then Pepe ran to like a billion. James Wynn. What? He changed it before you go. Yeah.
He should be taking a nap today. Considering the fact we woke up at 3.
He went to bed at 3 last night.
Oh.
When you're done getting the vegetables, hey.
Hmm?
You're done getting the vegetables, you need to refill that.
Mm.
Who? Me? Let's find out how much I missed out on. I bought somewhere here. Oh god, I'm only at 60% if I were to stay. Okay.
Grab your phone.
Chicken show. Yeah, no, it's only 5K of volume.
As well?
I have to figure that out. I have to figure that out.
I don't think I might have enough.
Pardon?
I have like 60 left. Ow! Stop it!
Here, let's see. Market cap. What about Bunny? Oh.
Yes, baby bus.
Wait, he's about to sell? Who? Who? Oh. Oh, BlackRock? They're about to dump Bitcoin? Oh. Oh. Hold on, sorry. And they're about to dump Bitcoin? Oh, okay, yeah, because yeah, this guy's leveraging right now. He has a 40x leverage on Bitcoin right now. Oh, he took a loss. His P&L was negative 1.7 million. Oh, damn, bro. Yeah, 20 is like the sweet spot. Honestly, for that strategy, usually like 20 is like around the average price it hits. When it bounces between. Let's see where this is going. I'm gonna buy. See where this is going. Wish me luck. And we're gonna buy. Okay. Oh yes, bring me back up. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh no. Okay, I'm out. Bro, it's so slow today. I'm just in the mood to just like jump in and jump out. Yeah, like today there's not much runners and there's not much anything running. Let's check it back on No Face. Oh shit, it broke it. It went to 1.7. It went to 1.8, not bad. Bro, we're not paying attention to the Go coins. We should have bought No Face and held it.
Hey, hun, what you at right now?
No Face? I don't know. Oh, No Face. I didn't buy anything. I'm still at negative 41%.
What you at right now?
I don't know. 13 bucks. No. Alright, yeah, no problem.
What you doing?
There's nothing running today.
Nothing happened. You know what happened? You're a poo-poo butt freak.
Yes, go up, go up, go up, go, come on, hit it. I don't know. When do you want? When you guys want to come back on?
Wow.
I wake up around. I wake up around like 2 or 3 in the morning. So I come on like. No, I'm usually just making videos and just like looking at stuff. I don't know. When's the next time you guys want to come on? 17%. Yes, 17%. All right. I made back. I made back half of the money I lost. I'm at $13.60. I made back six.
Where?
Oh fuck! It went up again. Oh jeez. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. Whatever. Yeah. When do you guys want to come back on? When is the next day? You guys want to come? All right. So okay. How about this? How about this? Do you want to make a schedule every other day? So like today, Wednesday, Friday, and then.
That's lying.
Are you guys gonna be available Sunday? You guys weren't available yesterday.
Would you like some? Like this.
Okay, then we'll do Monday, Wednesday. I'm on here every day, right? But okay, we'll do Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then what about Saturday?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Can mommy have the controller?
Okay, then I'll do. Okay, I'll do 6 a.m. and then we'll finish at 10. So 4 hours. So Wednesday 6 to 10, Friday, Thursday 6 to 10, and then Saturday 6 to 10. All right. So Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, and then we'll figure out next week. Look what the fuck. I bought in at 114. I couldn't hold it. What the fuck? That's what I'm saying. I gotta get good at holding. I never hold. I never fucking hold, man. Jeez, look at this guy. This guy's selling on the way up, bro, man.
For which?
Yeah. Boom. One back up. Damn, man.
What are you doing?
Holy.
Sit down.
You want me to read the schedule? Yeah.
I got you.
Honestly, yeah, that's why I want a group trade because it's because you see like you have one perspective, right? You're able to do technical analysis, and then I just like, bro, I don't know what I'm good at. All I know is I can get in and get out. But anyways, like one person is good at technical analysis, one person is good at scanning, one person is good at, like we just need like one person to like watch coins or two people, like whichever coins we do open up.
Alright, let's go get this lady.
Because then, pardon? Watching. Someone just watches after we buy in. Someone's watching each coin. Shit hit almost 300k. Wow. Wow. I'm going back in. I would have made. I won at 114. I would have made 230. I would have made. No, I would have made one soul. I bought it for like half of. I would have made like 0.2 Solana or 0.15. Oh man.
Oh, are you okay?
Where's it going?
He just like pulled the splits. I don't even know what you slipped on.
But right here? Or right here? Yeah, right. This one?
You okay?
This one?
Are you okay? Come here.
Here? Here?
Oops.
Here? Here? Oh, hold on. Right here? Oh, here. Okay, oh. This was the perfect double bounce. Right here. 5 candles. Up. That was the perfect. This was the perfect spot. Too bad. Okay, now it's going sideways. None of you want to try putting some money? Sorry.
Good. Where are we going?
That is what?
What's with you and Halloween? I will punch this thing in the face. Okay.
Okay, so for sure it's gonna be Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday, right? For this week. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna set it down on the calendar. All right, so voice channel next. So first one, so you guys are gonna get a notification. All right. Okay, so. So Wednesday at where is this? Wednesday at 6 a.m. See, are you guys able to do Wednesday every week? Okay, so I'm just gonna set it for weekly for Wednesday.
Here about. Now wash your hands. Are you okay?
Next. Alright.
Okay, you know what? You stop, dog. Go lay down. Where is it? Where is it? There.
Start small and take profit. Begin trading with 1.1 soul. You can do like half of that. You know, you can do like 0.05 or 0.08. Uh, if you if you're gonna do small amounts like this, you're gonna do at least 20% profit. 20%. You want to hit 20s at least. That's the minimum. Yeah, minimum at least 20 at the bottom. 20 at the bottom. And then average, yeah, you want to do about like 40, 50%. 2x is if you get lucky to hit a high momentum coin early. The only way you're going to be doing 2x is at this small of a market cap, this small of amount, is if you're getting it early. So like you see this coin that we're watching. Yeah. You might want to get at like the 10, 20K range, 3x's. And then you're just going to follow that same thing until you hit like 1 sol. You're going to keep doing it until you hit 1 sol. Once you double to 2 sol, you can do 0.2 or like 0.1. And then when you hit 3 sol, you double that to like 1.5, 0.15. When you hit 4 or 5, you're gonna do the same thing. You do 0.25 at 5 sol, and then just keep going from there. It's just literally taking your portfolio and just like chopping it up into like increments of like 10 or 15 or 20. The more trades you get, the easier it gets, because then at least one out of your 10 trades for the day will make up for the losses that you take. Like you see me, I fumble this. This could have made up for all the losses I took today. Holy, I could have made a 3x on this.
Why are you listening to a French movie? Don't fire me. Alright, so long story short, use that.
Yeah. Oh look, there's another coin. You guys, oh wait, did I already buy this? I bought this already. Oh, yeah, is that the same coin? Is the same coin? Okay.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that one didn't look good. I did.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I looked at the metrics. It didn't look good. This was the good one. The only way you're gonna practice to be good is if you put in real money. You can do like $1 trades if you want, like 0.001, and just trade. Make sure you guys accept the invite. This one's only for Wednesday, like every Wednesday.
Oh yeah, I just oh, just
So my Eastern time is 6 a.m. for me.
oh, we're gonna keep going. Child, right? My keys. Ooh, there's a chest. Wait, is this a chest? This is.
Yeah, that's fine as long as you guys come on. So just click you're interested. I'm gonna go make another one too.
Alright. Okay.
How long have I been on this? Here. I've been on for.
Ooh, I got gifts. Okay, I got injection supply box.
I've been on for about 3.5 hours. More than that. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So I don't know if you guys are the same time zone. Damn, bro. Man, it's whatever. So you guys are gonna trade for sure next time? You, bro, you just gotta have the confidence to say fuck it and just put your money in. It's not luck. Boy, it is kind of luck. Let's see this one. Look, 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 look. Let's try this again. Let's see where this goes. Oh, look at that. It hit already. 1 second. It hit. Oh, jeez. That's on the top. Yeah. So 29%. There you go. Yeah. That was literally like. Yeah. I put an auto take profit. You see my TP plus 15. You see what I was telling you? By time the transactions finish processing to sell, it could be more than 15%, and it hit 29. Yeah, that's what I was telling you. Set your your take profit to like a low amount, and that way every time you're on a high momentum coin like this, you'll probably hit like 30%, 20%, 25, sometimes 40, sometimes 60. I have no clue, but it's high momentum. You see that? You see how fast everything's moving? And it's moving in an uptrend too, right? So I bought here. You see it? This is. I have no idea when migrated was. When's migrated? Yeah. Yeah. No. 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 Yeah. No. No. I mean like the price. What's the price today for migrated? Because the migration price is six. How do you know it's 61K? At the bottom. Okay. Oh, right here. Oh, oh, okay, okay, okay. I see. Estimated. Okay, I didn't know this was here. Okay, yeah, this is great. I didn't know this was a thing. Oh, good thing I sold when I did, or it sold when it did. Shit, gone. Let's try this again. This is what you call gambling. That's what high momentum trading is. What these guys do is high momentum, which is gambling, bro. Ah, they made a James Bitcoin. Because he lost his money, he's telling everyone to like buy Bitcoin so he can make back his money. More than 30%. Let's see this again one more time. Oh, okay, it's 10. All right. You guys want to try one more coin, or you want to say call it quits for today? All right, let's see. Yeah, it's starting to pick up now. That was 2 coins in like 10 minutes. Or are you guys down to do like afternoon sessions? So like one day we can do morning, and then one day we do afternoon. So that way we could test the waters, we could test it, and then fix proper times to actually trade. So like we could do 12 to 6, and then like 6 to like 10, and then we could do one session is like from like 6 p.m. to like midnight, or 6 p.m. to 10 p.m.
I don't even know what you. What do you know? You're great.
Yeah, I heard you.
Obviously, we're supposed to up there in the couch and stuff in the sharp object.
If you guys want to do like one long session a week, we could do that too, like 3 times a week or twice a week. because then you can just test and see what times are like the most busiest.
What are you screaming at?
All right, okay. Let's see. I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes. If nothing comes up, I'm gonna get off of this. Uh, 2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna come off. I wanna see if anything else comes up. Let's see this 60K. Oh, it pumped again. Not bad. There is. What's it called?
Sit down before it hurts. Get down.
This one. Oh, okay. Oh Jesus! It dumps. It's like struggling to stay alive.
Did the dev dump it? Yep. The dev sold. That's why it dumped. Oh.
The bundle bot just took over and just dumped everything. Alright, let's go. Maybe? I don't know. It looks like there's a lot of movement for 1 second though. I could try it, maybe. You enter? Yeah, I got it at 53. Come on. Okay, I don't know. I have a bad feeling. I have a bad feeling. Profit 5. Oh. Oh, it didn't trigger though. Fuck. Okay, I got 8%. Jeez, bro. That's a lot of movement. It hit it too. It hit it, but it was too fast. That was probably a sniper bot. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Oh, now it wants a pump. Whatever. 8%. Okay, I think I'm okay. I think that's enough heart palpitations for today. All right, I'm gonna see you guys Wednesday. Yeah.